Hello everyone. Good to see you guys are all in good health. Today is an arts class, so ready to do an arts? Yes, yes, yes. Thumbs up, and you know what you have to do is you have to bring your arts copy with the color pencils and geometry box, your pencil, eraser, ruler. Okay, you got your arts copy from school? Yes. Did you do some creativity? Good. Hello, Aisha. How are you? Wow, it's such a nice drawing. What is this? Yes, Aisha. Unmute your mic and tell us what is this? It's so pretty. Wow, everyone has done something new. I'm seeing so many. Zoya, Ali Ahmad, Roma. They are sharing such a good thing. Yes. Wow. Wow. Well
Miss,
done. Yes, Aisha.
मिस ये
Yes, Aisha. What do you
ये
know?
मैंने ये मैंने मेरी कजन के साथ मिलके बनाया
Wow, very nice. Oh my God, Shahir is also here.
एंड मैं पुप्पू
Wow, well done. Good job, Aisha. Well done. I like everyone's creativity. Khizr Danish is also sharing something. Very nice, Khizr. Oh wow, Zoya is sharing something also. Wear mask and corona fungus. Very nice. Good job, Zoya. Very nice. I like the thoughts of it. Very nice. Good job. Oh my God. Roma, what is this? It's a matchbox or something? What craft is this?
टीचर
Yes. Yes, yes, Roma, what is this? Yes, Roma, what is
इज
this?
ये सोफा है
It's a sofa. Wow. How did you made it? How did you made it?
आज की टीचर मैंने माचिस की डिब्बियों से बनाया
Wow, matchstick ball. Good creativity, Roma. Well done. Oh, Harim is also sharing something. What is this, Harim? Yes,
टीचर मैंने ये याद ही नहीं मेरी क्या बनाया है
talk slowly, slowly. Don't so fast. Yes, repeat again. What did you say?
टीचर ये मैंने और मेरी आती ने मिलकर बनाया है
Oh wow, it's such a lovely painting. Good. Wow, it's very pretty, very nice, very artistic. Nice. I've seen so many people have done something. Oh my God, Zoya, thank you so much. Is it for me? Thank you. It's so lovely card. Wow, you guys are doing so much creativity in your home. Yes, Zoya. Speak louder, please. You made it for your father. Wow, it's such a lovely greeting. Your father must be very uh, happy about it. Did he share his thought with you? Did he loved it? Yeah, I see it. You have done a lot of work on it. Good job. Everyone, I like it that every one of you is putting your creativity into a very useful thing. But I cannot see every one of you. Aisha Kamran, Tasbia, Zainab, Ammar, Harim, and who is else left? Yes, Shamir. Yes, Shamir, where are you? Very nice. Anam Azam also sharing something. Yes, Anam, would you like to tell something about it? What have you done? With whom you have done it?
टीचर मैंने हाउस बनाया है
Wow, it's such a pretty house. Did you do it yourself or someone help you?
यस
You made it yourself.
बनाया है
Wow, very nice, Anam. Good job. Keep up, everyone. You have done such a lovely job. Good. Keep doing these kinds of good activity in your home. Okay. Never stop doing these kinds of activity. It encourages you to do something new. You will understand and learn something new every time you open it. Okay, everyone, now it's time to do the copy work. Where is your art copy from your school? Did you get it? Everyone got your art copy from your school? Now we are going to do the first page drawing. Let's open it. Yes, thank you, Khiza. You know the art copy book is huge in size and it's a blank paper. You have to leave the very first page. Yes, Saman, are you ready to do it? I'm watching you. Stop playing. We are going to do in creativity. Let me see your drawing. Okay? You are very good at drawing. I know you can do it. Okay? Nice, nice. Everyone, ready? Open your arts copy. I hope you have written down your name and the subject title must be arts. A-R-T-S, arts. And what you're gonna do is next, leave the first page. You know the rule. We have to leave the first page and then we can start drawing on the second page. Before drawing, you have to draw the top line with the one finger space. Top line. Are you guys ready? I haven't seen anyone's having a copy. Why is that? Who has the arts copy? Oh, Roma brings the arts copy. Yes. Okay, I will wait for you 2 minutes to bring the arts copy. Thank you, Roma, for bringing arts copy. Oh, Ali Ahmed also bring it. Well done. Good, good. Everyone, chop, chop. And take out your arts copy. Yes, Aisha will also bring it. Thank you, Aisha. Yeah, good. Oh, Hari was also going. Oh, hurry, hurry, hurry. Good, good, good. That's the spirit. Everyone got your arts copy and let's start working on it. Good. Very nice. Harim got it. Oh, great. That's great. Who will be the last? Let's see who will be the last. Oh yeah, oh yeah, everyone got it. Those who got the copy, open your copy, read the first page, start working on the second one. And you know that you have to draw the top line. The top line, yes, Sayyid Tasbih also got it. Good, Tasbih, good. Javeed Fatma also got it. Ammar got it. Very nice. I'm saying you all are very, very energetic people. Aisha Kamal also got it. Arts copy. Well done. Oh, you haven't write your name, Ammar. Write your name, okay, on the name section and write down your class in the class section and also write down the subject is an art, okay, A-R-T, art. Very nice. Everyone is ready. Oh, Khizar is also dancing. He's very energetic and nice. Now, let's see your drawing, Khizar. Suman, where's your art copy? Go fetch your art copy. Hurry up. Oh, Zoya put the background. I like the Zoya's background. Zoya, very interesting. You are very going ahead of a time. Nice. Can you try it also just like Zoya did it? You have to put down your background screen. I will share a video with you how to do it next time, okay? In the ICD class. Oh, Ali Ahmed, let's do some arts right now. Then you can eat after the class, okay? Okay. Are you guys ready? I'm going to share the screen with you what to do in arts class right now. Everyone leave the first page. And then what you're going to do is you have to draw the top line first. And the top line should be the straight line with the one index finger. Hold on. I'm going to draw the line over here on computer. You can draw the line in your arts copy with the help of a ruler and mark the line with the one index finger, okay? One index finger. Yes, who wants to ask question? Yes, Javeria, what is your question?
Sir, can I leave one page?
Yes, you have to leave the first page and then you have to do the drawing on the second page. Is this your question?
So what are you saying?
You are asking about you have to start drawing. David, can you hear me?
टीचर आपकी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही।
Okay, well, you cannot hear me.
माँ
Okay,
आपसे
I'll repeat again what I'm saying. I'm saying that all of you, you have to leave the very first page.
टीचर योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
Okay, I'm repeating again. Everyone, can you hear my voice loud and clear now? Yes, thumbs up if you can hear my voice loud and clear. Yes, thank you, Zoya. You are the very first person you always. Thank you, Aisha. All of you, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Can you understand what I'm saying right now? Thank you, Roma. Fizar, Muhammad Ahmad, Saman, Ishan, Shamir, Zainab. You all can hear my voice loud and clear? Yes, thank you, thank you. Now I'll explain that you have to leave your very first page. You know that we won't work on the very first page of the arts copy. So leave the first page, open the second page of the arts copy, and what you're gonna do is draw the first line on the top of your page with the help of your finger, marking it with the one index finger. You all know the pattern we have done in class 1, right? Right? Yes, you have done it in the class 1 also, that you have to leave the first page, first page, and put your one index finger on the top of the page and draw the line. Yes, just like this. Yes, Hareen, good job. Good. Now what you have to do is write down the date on the left side of the page. What is today's date? It's 11 September 2020. So write down your date on the left side of your page. Left side on your page, you have to write down you guys got the pattern? Yes, Ishan, that's great. But you don't have to draw the English line, Ishan. We don't draw vertical line. You forgot it. We don't draw vertical line. We always draw the top line only. Horizontal line. We don't draw the vertical line. Only top line of horizontal. No vertical lines. This is not writing. This is drawing copy. So we are going to just draw the top line, just like Ali Ahmad is showing. Everyone. We don't write Friday and we don't write CW, Ali Ahmad. We write the heading. We write the heading on the center. So remove the Friday and remove CW. We only write date on the left side of the page. And yes, Zoya, but where's the line? Where's the line, Zoya? I cannot see the line. Oh, yes, it's very light. Draw the line full. Your line is very light, so I cannot see the complete line. You have to draw the complete line. Let's see, Sidar is also showing. Yes, Sidar, show me your copy. Oh, it's a very broad line. Did you mark it with your index finger? It should be one finger distance from the top. One index finger distance. Not too big, not too slim. Ali Ahmad's lines are the perfect for the finger distance. Not too much big, not too much slim. Yes, Roma is showing. Let's see, Roma. Yes, Roma. You have to write down the date on the left side, but do not write Friday. Do not write CW. No need to write it, okay? Just on, not on the back side, okay? Also, you know that we don't write or draw anything on the back side of the arts copy. Zoya, no, not the straight line. Everyone, not the straight line, not the straight line, please. We only will be drawing this line, only this line, and what's more is this. See, we only draw this line and we're gonna write down the heading, which is shape drawing. This will be your heading, which should be in the center of your line. Okay. Shape drawing. Everyone see this thing? Yes, Aisha, you have a question?
Miss, I draw the line. Miss, I draw the line.
Very good, very good. But it's not straight. You have to draw the straight line. Aisha, it's broadened in the end. Try to draw the straight line with the measure of your one finger, okay? Measure with your one finger distance so that you will draw the straight line, okay? Your lines are not straight. Aisha, try to draw it straight. Anyone else have an issue drawing the straight line on the top of the page? You have to draw only the top line. Do not draw this vertical line, okay? I'm telling you again, do not draw this line. No, no, no. A big no to this line. Do not draw this line. Only the top line. Write down date on the left side and the heading in the center. Now what you're gonna do next is you have to draw any three shapes available you have in your home right now. You can do it. Choose any three shapes of your own choice. There is no restriction. Okay, you can choose anything and draw with the help of that thing. For example, I have a ball which is circular in shape. Bowl, the bowl which I eat fruits or vegetable on it. Okay, so I am drawing it. I'm tracing the bowl which is circular in shape. Look at me. This is the bowl. Of course, I'm working on computer, so I cannot trace it right here. So I'm giving you an example and expression that I have a circular bowl. So I am drawing a circular shape. This is the size of my bowl. So you have to choose any three things would you like to have in your arts copy drawing and trace it in your arts copy. Try to pick bigger things, but not bigger than the size of your page. Accommodate your three things in the page so that they can draw very nicely. For example, the next shape I have is a burfi, or you can say a dice, which is pyramid in shape. I have these three things which I'm going to trace in my copy. You can choose whatever shape you like or have it with you. Okay? You can trace any three shapes in your arts copy. Try to draw a big one. Try to draw the bigger one so that you can draw something in it. Now I have this square shape here, rectangle shape here with me. I have this big rectangle piece with me. Now I have three shapes, 1, 2, 3. I've organized in my art copy these three shapes. Now what you're gonna next do is you have to draw something with the help of these three shapes. Try to think of something. What can you do with the help of these shapes? Make something out of the shape. Think of something out of your shape. What did you draw? Think of something of making it into an object. Okay, you have to make your shape into an object. Think of something, anything you would like. For example, this circle shape could be a clock, or it could be a donut, or it can be a football, or it can be a basketball, or it can be my plate, or it can be a crockery. it can be a ring, it can be a flower. So you have to think these kinds of ideas with you. You have to think of these shapes turning into an object, okay, into a form. This is the simple basic shape you have drawn. So think of something you have to draw with the help of these shapes. For example, I can turn this rectangle shape into a keyboard, or I can turn this rectangle shape into a TV, or I can turn this rectangle shape into a table, or I can turn this rectangle shape into a mobile phone. So these are all my thinking. What's your thinking? You have to think of something with the help of this shape. What can you turn into an object? Last time we discussed so many things, so many shapes into an object, right? So before drawing any sub object, you have to think of a basic shape. What did you draw and what you have to make? It's up to you. I'm giving you ideas and freedom to choose whatever shape and whatever object would you like to draw in your arts copy. Okay, everyone? Now this diamond shape can be turned into a burfi, or it can be turned into a domino, or it can turn into a kite, or it can turn into a clock as well, because we have no restriction in clock shape, or it can turn into an ice cream shape. A lot of things you can turn into, or it can also turn into upside down chips. So it is up to you. What do you like to have? That's the end of my sharing with you ideas. Now it's up to you. Share with me, what did you draw? Try to draw a very neat diagram. Okay, first shape drawing must be neat. Do not draw with a very harsh pencil. I'm reminding you, do not draw with a very harsh pencil. You don't want to ruin your other pages. Okay, the impression of your pencil will be imprint on many other pages. Okay, let's take the question out first. Bro, Tasbia, you are the first one. Yes, Tasbia. What is your question?
Miss, I made kite,
Wow.
donut,
Yes.
and scale.
Oh wow, that's a nice idea. But did you choose this shape on your own, or did you just choose because I draw it? Yes, Asbia, did you choose these shapes on your own, or did you just choose it because I asked, I draw it? Yes. Tasbih, I saw your drawing. It's very nice. But I would like to know that did you draw it on your own? You choose this shape on your own, or you just draw it because I draw these three shapes? I would like very it will be very exciting to see different shapes. Try to draw different shapes. I just give you an example. Don't try to copy me. Okay, Roma, you are the second one. Yes, Roma. What is your question? Yes, Roma. Do you have a question? You asked to you raise your hand.
टीचर मुझे आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
Uh-oh. You can't hear my voice loud and clear, but I can hear you loud and clear. Let me ask someone else. If there is an issue with my mic, then most of the students must have an issue, okay? If not, then it must be from your connection. Let me check. Everyone, would you like to give me an answer that can you hear my voice loud and clear? Thumbs up if you can hear my voice loud and clear. If not, please thumbs down so that I can check my mic as well. Thank you, Aisha. Aisha can hear my voice loud and clear. Rest of you, oh, Ishan can also hear my voice. Thank you, Ishan. What the rest of you, what can you hear my voice loud and clear? Ali Ahmed, Mohammed Ahmed, Zoya, Javeria, Apar. Can you hear my voice loud and clear? No, Ali Ahmed also is not hearing. Mohammed Ahmed, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Thumbs up if you can and thumbs down if you cannot. Zoya, can you hear my voice? Thank you, Aisha, Amir. Roma, Zoya, can you hear my voice? Okay, thank you, Muhammad Ahmed. Most of the students are hearing my voice loud and clear, but still I check my mic and it's working properly. I will close it to my mouth as well and I will speak louder. Now, Javedia, are you okay with it? Can you hear my voice now?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Okay, everyone. Did you guys done with the shape drawing? Let me see one by one, everyone. Show it to me. What did you draw? Try to draw some different shape. Do not copy me. I want you to draw it with your own thinking. What do you like to draw in your arts copy? What shape do you like the most? What can you do experiment with the help of a shape? It's up to you. Oh, Ishan is the first one to showing it to me. Yes, Ishan. I will be watching every one of you, so share it to me. What did the shape you draw? It's a kite. It's a rectangle and it's a circle. Oh, I'm so sad. Why are you guys copying me? Do not copy me. I just give you the example. Draw something different shape. Do not draw the same shape I drawn. I would like you to draw some different shape. Can you not think of different shape? There are so many shapes. There are so many. Choose anyone. Who would like to show me else? Yes, Khiza. What shape did you draw? Did you draw with the help of any object or you just copy me as well? Yes, Khizar, show it to me. I cannot see your copy. A little bit further. Hold still the camera, it's moving very fast. I can see the clock, I can see also rectangle. That means you have also drawn the same shape. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. This is not the outcome I wanted. Did you all draw the same shape I have drawn? Roma and Ammar also drawn the same shape. Yes, Ammar, let me see yours. What did you draw? Hold still. It's a cat? Is it a cat? I cannot see clearly, open. It's very light. I cannot see it. Hold it. Let's see someone else until Ali Ahmad is doing colors. You are doing colors. Okay. Who else? Okay, Zainab is showing. All right. You guys have done the same, but the different income. Very nice. I like Zainab. Zainab, your idea is very creative. Of the circle with the fan and TV with the this one. The thing is you have done the circle with the fan. It's very creativity. Very nice. Good. Everyone, think of something new. If you are doing the same shape but do a different thing, don't draw only the donuts or the kite thing. Think of different things. Okay. The next exercise, the homework will be yours that you have to draw different shapes and different objects. The shape can be on square, triangle, and heart shape. Square, triangle, and heart shape. Use the next page and do the same exercise with a different shape. Okay. Use the different page. Next page. Use the next page and draw. Okay, Ali Amar, I can see now. It's very cute. Very cute. Very good. Well done. Amma has drawn the face with the help of a circle. That's very creative. Well done, Ammar. Good job. Ammar and Janab has done a different thing, which I like the most. You guys choose the same shape, but different ideas. Roma is also sharing. Okay, everyone? It's 3:32 and I'm winding up. Oh, helicopter or feeder. What is this? Kite and donut, I see it. Yes. But what's it down below? Okay, all right. Good job, everyone. You all worked very hard. That's it for today. Your homework will be posted on university. I saw everyone's on table. Wow, Zoya, nice. Nice, very nice. Good, very good. You all are working very hard and all have proved to me that you are working and thinking in arts also. Thank you so much for joining today. This is me signing off right now. I will see your arts later as the time soon ended. Oh no, I don't want to miss the class, but I have to go and take the next class. Everyone, take good care of yourself. I will be posting your homework later. So watch out and submit it to me. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, class 2.